I'm going to show you a kitty that loves a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, let's go vacuum. Yeah. Come on, my little girl. She loves a vacuum cleaner. You gonna help me? Hmm?